Okay, this is homework number 16. So all the hints and stuff that I usually talk about and write as I'm talking are already the on the slides for you. So I'm just going to read the questions for each of these. All right. Number 1. What is the total surface area of the rectangular prism below? Question number 2. What is the lateral surface area of the cylinder below? Question number 3. What is the lateral surface area of the triangular prism shown below? Question number 4. Write an algebraic representation of the dilation shown below. Question number 5. A cylinder has the diameter of 4.8 inches and a height of 8.1 inches. What is the volume of this cylinder? Question number 6. What is the y-intercept of the graph below? Question number 7. You are looking for an apartment. There are 2 final choices. Apartment A has a $1,000 security deposit and costs $1,200 each month. Apartment B has a $1,500 deposit and costs $1,175 each month. How many months M will it take for the costs to be the same? Question number 8. What is the total surface area of the triangular prism below? Question number 9. Find the volume of the cone below. Question number 10. In 2000, Ohio's population was 11.4 million and increasing by 0.5 million each year. Michigan's population was 9.9 million, increasing by 0.6 million each year. When will the 2 states have the same population?